Question is how to create an empty list in Python. To create empty list in Python, there are two ways. So directly you can use square brackets, and another one is using list function. So we will see both the ways how to create empty list. For example, L1 is one list I am creating. So here I am using empty brackets. So this is also one list. So we will print L1 we will print, then we will print its data type, so that whatever object we have created, we will verify that is it list or not. Type L1, right? So now next is, so another way is using list function. So L2 I am taking, L2 is equal to list function I am using. So using this list function also you can create an empty list. So now I will print here L2, and we will check data type of L2 also. Now I will run this program. So now here, see here, L1 is also one empty list. L1 is also one empty list, data type is list, and L2 is also one list, empty list, and data type is list. So in this way, using empty brackets or using list function, you can create empty